how to link your account on Rockstar Social Club. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I want to guide you on how you can link your accounts on Rockstar Social Club accounts, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you have a Rockstar or maybe a Social Club account, you want to link various accounts such as Xbox, PlayStation account or Steam account, whatever else you have, you want to link them to your Social Club account. It is very simple to do that. And to do this process, all you have to do is just open up your browser. Once you open your browser, just go to socialclub.rockstargames.com. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box below. Go to socialclub.rockstargames.com. Once you're there, just make sure to sign into your proper account. Now after you've done that, tap the little profile icon from the top right hand side, then just go to settings. Once you go to settings, you're going to be able to see this type of interface where you just need to actually scroll down, and then over here currently you can see we are on the profile tab. We want to switch just by tapping this drop down menu, going to this little option known as linked accounts instead. And now when we go to linked accounts, you can see different sorts of accounts that we can link: Amazon, Twitch, Google, Facebook, Twitter, PSN and Xbox account. Depending upon what type of accounts you want to link, you can just select the link account button here. Just go ahead and confirm the changes, enter the credentials for the account, and your account will get successfully linked. This way you can link accounts on Rockstar Social Club. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.